Do you passively accept your fate or actively design your future? The choice is always yours. The weaver bird doesn't dream of shelter. It creates it, twig by twig, with absolute clarity of purpose. Watch how it selects each element with discrimination, weaving with precision. No thread is placed without purpose. Many humans merely wish for a better life while complaining about circumstances. Others craft their destiny with each conscious action. The nest stands as testimony to the bird's vision, not a random home, but a masterpiece crafted through deliberate choice and action. Your life unfolds not by chance, but by design. Like the weaver bird, create your destiny through conscious action. Sadhguru.